Chapter 2. Computer Virus. What you'll learn. Effects of the computer virus. Types of viruses. Guard the system with antivirus. Preventing the computer from virus. Ways to remove virus. A computer virus is a software program that has the ability to reproduce itself. It may or may not infect the data or other programs in a computer system. A virus is the creation of a computer programmer. Viruses are written to deliberately enter a computer without the user's permission or knowledge. These viruses can be extremely destructive, erasing data on a disk or computing programs. Effects of the computer virus. It might make some programs faulty or corrupt. It might steal important information from our computer and send to some other person. It can slow down our computer. Code byte. Computer virus didn't really exist until the mid-1980s. The first computer viruses were created in university labs to demonstrate how much of a threat the vicious code could be. It might damage the boot sector, creating problems when we boot into the Windows. It might corrupt our system files. It might change the power rating of our computer and could blast the system. Types of viruses. There are many types of viruses. Let us read about some of them. Boot sector. This virus replaces the startup code in a disk with a modified version, which is loaded into the memory when the computer is started. For example, Polyboot. B. Anti-X. Worms. A worm is technically not a virus, but a program very similar to a virus that has the ability to self-replicate and can lead to negative effects on the system, and most importantly, they are detected and eliminated by antivirus. For example, Mapson. Sobig. D. Trial. C. File virus. A file virus is the most common kind of virus. These kinds of viruses usually infect .exe, .com files, which are the main components of a program or application. A file virus can insert its own code into part of the file so that when the infected program's file runs, the virus gets executed first. Resident. This type of virus is a permanent virus which dwells in the RAM memory. From there it can overcome and interrupt all of the operations executed by the system. Computing files and programs that are opened, closed, copied, renamed, etc. can be affected by it. Macrovirus. This type of virus infects files that are created using certain applications or programs that contain macros. These mini programs make it possible to automate series of operations so that they are performed as a single action, thereby saving the user from having to carry them out one by one. For example, Relax, Melissa, Babloos, 097MIY2K. Email virus. Email viruses spread through the email attachments. When an infected attachment is opened, the virus corrupts the computer system. Some of these viruses replicate themselves by automatically emailing everyone in the email address book. Polymorphic virus. Polymorphic viruses convert their codes every time they infect a new file. They have hundreds of different forms. It is very hard for an antivirus to detect them. Mamberg, Sutton bug and Tuareg are the examples of polymorphic virus. Guard the system with antivirus. Computer antivirus. Antivirus software is a program or set of programs that are designed to prevent, detect and remove software viruses and other malicious software like worms, trojans, adware and more. Look at some popular antivirus softwares. Average Antivirus. Quick Heal Total Security. Kaspersky Antivirus. McAfee Antivirus. Norton Antivirus. Preventing the computer from virus. Prevention focuses on avoiding contact with the viruses. Here are some tips to prevent our computers from getting virus infected. Downloading files from unreliable sources, such as unfamiliar websites and pop-ups, are mostly the common place to catch viruses. Thus, it is suggested that users always scan each program downloaded before running it. Never click a link from an unknown and suspicious email or open the attachment along with. Do not use somebody else's USB stick because it could contain virus and could infect the computer. Open email attachment files only if we are expecting the attached files or the sender is known and has confirmed sending the file. Always install antivirus software into the computer to protect the computer and keep it updated regularly. Ways to remove virus. There are 3 ways to remove a virus from the computer. Repair the infected file. Delete the infected file. Quarantine the infected file. Repair. Repair eliminates the virus and repairs the infected files. It is the best option when a virus is found. Delete. Delete erases both the virus and the infected files. The virus and the files are removed permanently. This option can be chosen if the repair is not effective. Quarantine. Sometime Quick Heal finds an unknown virus that cannot be removed with the current set of virus definition files. It is then added to quarantine. Quarantine helps in safely isolating the infected or suspected files. When a file is added to quarantine, Quick Heal Total Security encrypts the file and places it inside the quarantine directory. Being placed in the encrypted form, these files cannot be touched and hence are safe. Key takeaways. A virus is the creation of the computer programmer. A virus might make some programs faulty or corrupt. Some viruses stay active only when the application or a part of it is running. Computer virus didn't really exist until the mid-1980s. Resident virus is a permanent virus which dwells in the RAM memory.